Welcome back, adventurer. Go ahead and take your seat. I'll be with you in just a moment. The air tonight feels a little colder, stricter, brittle. The last time we met, the Emperor stood tall, a figure of structure and strength, the architect of kingdoms, the bearer of the crown. But what happens when that crown becomes too heavy? When order turns to oppression? Tonight we face the Emperor reversed. I once sought audience with a king who had ruled for decades. His city carved into a cliffside. Every building perfectly aligned. Every citizen assigned their perfect role. There was peace, oh yes. But there was not joy. When I entered his hall, I found him sitting alone. He dismissed his guards. His crown sat on the floor beside him. "You've come to sing?" he said. If you'll hear it, Your Majesty." He nodded. "Sing me something free." I strummed a tune with no rhythm, no chords, no rules, just the wind and whimsy of a wanderer. He smiled, just barely, and said, Do they still laugh beyond my walls?" Every night, Your Majesty." I noticed that his eyes started welling. "I built a world so perfect, but it seems that it has suffocated the soul." "Stay here for the night. It's late. You may leave in the morning." The next morning was different. Coming into this kingdom, I had seen these large, heavy gates that had looked like they had not been opened in decades. As I exited the kingdom, I saw those same gates, but this time they were open. I could hear the people leaving this kingdom with cries of joy, music, but that king was nowhere to be seen. The Emperor Reversed challenges the concept of control. Instead of stability, it can signal rigidity, authoritarianism, or the abuse of power. It may reflect a figure in your life who dominates unfairly, or perhaps it's your own inner emperor clinging to rules that no longer serve. Where upright, he brings structure. Reversed, he brings restriction. Order without compassion. Boundaries that have turned into walls. He asks, are you ruling your life, or are you imprisoning it? When the Emperor appears reversed, it may point to control issues. Either too much control or not enough. You could feel powerless under someone else's authority, like you're grasping for control out of fear. It can also highlight rebellion against structure. Are you resisting guidance because it feels too limiting, even if it might help? Alternatively, this card can reveal father wounds, issues with masculine energies, or instability in leadership. It's an invitation to rebuild authority from within, not through dominance, but through integrity. After my rebellious years, there was some time where I kept a strict schedule. Every tavern I visited on the hour. Every song practiced to perfection, every tale told word for word without deviation. I was praised for it, respected, but I was also tired. I was empty. One night, I forgot a line mid-performance. But instead of silence, I improvised, and the room laughed. They clapped harder than I have ever heard. The Emperor Reverse reminds us that strength isn't just in standing firm. It's in knowing when to yield. Leadership requires heart, not just rules. And the best thrones are the ones that we step down from so we can sit beside others. And listen, truly listen to their story. Next time, adventurer, we're going to meet the bridge between the above and the below, the one who listens in silence and speaks in symbols. We're going to meet the great teacher, the Hierophant. Until we meet again, adventurer, the Tarot Tavern is always waiting, where stories are etched in the cards and wisdom flows like mead from the tap. The journey doesn't end here. It's only just begun. Come back soon. Your next chapter awaits. Hey there, adventurer. Jared here, your resident tarot bard. Now, before you go wandering off into the night, I just want to give you a big thanks for joining me here at the Tarot Tavern. Every tale I spin, every card I read, well, I do it all here. Just me, tending to this tavern. So, when you share the show, you leave kind words, or you simply keep coming back, that is the magic that keeps it alive more than you know. Now, if you would like to toss a coin to the bard, I have set up a Patreon at patreon.com/thetarotbard. That's TheTarotBard. Now, Patreons do get early access for each episode, and they're always ad-free. That's right, you can listen to each episode before it's released to the wider realm. And there's also a couple other magical perks along the way. Your support is going to help keep the lanterns lit, the cards shuffled, and the stories flowing, one episode at a time. You can find the link to the Patreon in the show notes. And even if you can't spare a coin, just knowing that you're out there listening and maybe even sharing this journey, even that makes it worthwhile. But until the next time we meet, may your path be clear, may your heart be steady, and may your next pull be exactly what you need.